Hey everybody, Tom here from Army Roofing. Here's that roof we showed you in the last video. As you can see, it's all done. Did it in one day. Pretty easy roof. Looks good. Homeowner's really happy. We're just losing light here, so this has to be a quick video. But everything looks amazing. Caps nice and straight. This color is driftwood. New valley, new chimney flashing. We added vents, moved that vent up down there like we said we were gonna in the last video. Put in the proper bathroom vent there with a collar on it. And everything looks amazing. So if you're in the Delta BC area, call Army Roofing at 778-686-7663 or visit us at armyroofing.com and fill in a submission form, and we'll get back to you by email. Bye for now.